we're about to end the program. Today is the last day, right?
That's
But
a boy,
I want to
right?
say that we did 4 weeks.
Yeah, at least.
That was beautiful, right? Amazing. And I want to say thanks to all the staff, the counselors, the teachers, the nurse, and all the staff. Let's give them applause one time. Let's give them. I really like the program. We learned from each other. We made friends. We got to know you guys. When we see each other outside now, we know you guys are part of our family, right? And this is part of the family of the Somali community and the summer program as well. The teachers really happy. And what today is the end, so we will have certifications for everybody to take it home, to show it to your mom, your dad, that you have done 4 weeks of reading, a lot of good field trips. You learn about leadership, you learn from your teachers, all right? So next year we'll have another one. We'll have more longer days we'll have more days than we have this time, maybe 6 weeks or 7 weeks.
No.
Or maybe 4 weeks, we'll see, according to what we got. But I want to say thanks to everybody for taking part of this.
Y'all are bright kids, y'all are smart, y'all are outgoing, and y'all can do anything y'all put your mind to. And I'm glad that y'all allowed me to come and spend this time with you all this summer. I had a blast. And same to the Evolve and everybody else. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you. Yeah!
Assalamu alaikum. Today was the last day of our summer camp program. We gave all the kids certificates. We had a fun. We have to say goodbye to our youth for the summer program, but we hope next year we will have another one. And I want to say thanks to Evolve 502, JCPS, and all the team members that were here to volunteer as well. But this is the South End. This is one of the only summer programs that happens in this neighborhood, and we were happy to help 45 students in this summer. It was beautiful, and we hope to see them next year. As you can see, the kids who are doing t-shirts, they're making their own t-shirts. We had a birthday parties, we had certificates, and we also have a last day celebration. So it was beautiful, and we get to invite Coach Nini and other staff who work with us. Thank you.